Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious soufflé in Dreamlight Valley using an easy method. This delightful 4-star meal is perfect for restoring energy or earning some extra coins. We'll cover gathering the 4 simple ingredients, the quick cooking process, and the fantastic benefits of this dish. Get ready to become a master soufflé chef in no time, even if you're just starting your culinary journey in the valley. It's a straightforward recipe anyone can follow. To begin your soufflé adventure, you'll need to gather 4 key ingredients, all conveniently found at Remai's pantry. First, grab 1 cheese, then 1 egg, followed by 1 milk, and finally, 1 butter. These 4 items are the foundation of your culinary masterpiece. Make sure you have enough star coins to purchase them, as they are essential for this recipe. Remai's shop is your one-stop destination for these vital components. Now for the fun part, cooking. Head over to any cooking station in the valley. Open your inventory and interact with the cooking pot. You'll then place 1 cheese, 1 egg, 1 milk, and 1 butter into the pot. Once all 4 ingredients are in, simply confirm your selection. The magic happens quickly, and your delicious soufflé will be ready in mere moments. It's truly that simple to create this fantastic dish. So, what makes soufflé so special? Well, for starters, it's a 4-star meal that restores an impressive 1,570 energy, perfect for those long days of foraging and mining. If you're looking to earn some extra star coins, you can sell each soufflé for generous 1,200 coins. Plus, it's a wonderful gift for your valley residents, helping you build those important friendships. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.